Marami ang batang nahihirapan pagdating sa what is the last day of the month. Okay, gamitin ang ating left hand. At mula sa kaliwa, gagawin nating January. Okay? February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Lahat ang nasa dulo o sa tuktok ay 31 ang last date. At ang nasa baba naman ay 30 days except the first one, which is February. It could be 28 or 29 depending on the year. 29 ang last day of February if the year is divisible by 4, like 2000, year 2000 rather, 2004, 2008, so on and so forth. Otherwise, February has 28 days. I repeat, dito sa January, 31, 28 or 29, March has 31, April has 30, May has 31, June has 30, July is 31, August is 31, September, October, November, December. Okay? Dito, huwag niyong kakalimutan na tatalon kayo dito sa kabilang bundok. Okay? Kasi dito sa between July and August, ano na yan, parati nang umuulan. At dito nagtatapos ang lesson natin for today. I hope you learned something from Teacher Edward. Don't forget to subscribe.